டேங்க்குள்ள ஏசி இருக்குமோ இப்போ தான் அமர்ந்து ஃப்ளோரே எதுலையும் தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது. ஆனால் எப்படி இல்லை அதை காமிக்காத எனக்கு குறைஞ்ச பண்ணி காமி இப்படி காமிச்சிட்டு 21, 20, 20, 19.6. This is the flow. You go to, this is the tightener. You have to tighten that one. You have to ulta this cylinder. The liquid will be going here. You go to, you are going to flow control. Then there is that cylinder. Burner. This is the capillary is the output. This is the input side. Now 16 degrees coming. 15, 14, 15.3, 15.1, 14.9. So this much of cooling is getting. This is the temperature sensor unit. This is a 14.3 degree, not the temperature. This is the degree. So this is the flow. You want to open the flow. Here you go to cold the cloth and the water dripped. You want to tight on that one. So that time it will be working very perfectly. This is 13.2. This is the LPG refrigeration system. This is the LPG tank. This is the high pressure regulator. Then this is the nylon tube, 8 nylon tube. This is the two flow control valve, inlet and outlet. Now 12.4 degree, 12.3 degree is coming. This is the breezer box. Having a 20 inch height, 16 inch breadth, 1 feet breadth. This is the freezer. So this is the freezer. Now freezer is cooling, fully cooled. This is the freezer cooling. So you got to fit the temperature here or freezer in the top. So that's when the temperature will be now 11 degree is coming. So this is the degree, 11.5 degree. So this is the freezer coming. Actually 16 degree, 15 degree it will be getting. So you got to burn that LPG outside. Zero LPG to 0% of LPG refrigeration. This is refrigeration. This is sheet metal box. This is a copper type, quarter inch copper. This is the capillary tube. The capillary is the output. Capillary is the output. This is the nylon tube. This side is the input. So you got to connect the flow control and everything. Now 11 degree you can get the 11 degree. So this is the concept.
10.9.
Next thing, after that you got to release this one. You got to release this one means automatically it will be temperature will be this is the 10.5 degree. It's getting the 10.5 degree Celsius. After some time it burn, after that it will be off. Because now this is the LPG flow controller. This is the controller. This is the two sides will be there. You got to fit it on that two sides. This is for two sides. This is the coupling regulator, high pressure regulator. You got to put it on the side, you got tight, and you got to control this one. Top is the flow control. This is the flow. Now the burner is off. So this is the concept. We are removing here this pressure gauge and setup, and this cylinder and empty cylinder. One cylinder comes. You go to the empty cylinder. You got to fill the empty cylinder. Then this pressure gauge also we are removing, and you got to insert the box. You got to fit it your place. So this is the concept. Now the temperature will be increasing because the burner everything is off. So automatically it will be increasing 14.9, 15 degrees depends upon the temperature. Now the only LPG running time only the freezer will be cooling time, cooling the plant. So this is the concept of zero LPG system. Zero LPG used to run the refrigeration system. No need of compressor anything. So this is the concept.
Sir.